So now we'll get into the profile dropdown. So from the profile dropdown, you have the ability to do a lot of different things. You can actually view your profile, edit your profile, profile photo, cover photo. So this is pretty much just a shortcut to what we already did. Your account, your login information, email preferences, privacy, export data, delete your account. Your timeline, your posts, notifications, your unread and read, your messages, or you can compose a new message. Your connections, you can see who wants to connect with you and what pending requests you currently have. Your groups, who invited you to join their group. You can create your own group, or you can select the groups that you currently own. And then forms as well. You have your discussions, your replies, your favorites, and your subscriptions. Now we're going down to your photos. So this will actually display all the photos that you actually uploaded on the entire site, and you'll be able to see those. And as far as email invites, you can actually send out invites to anyone that you want. So let's mess around with the account settings. So from our account settings, your login information, this is where you actually can, if you lost your password and say you're logged in on your phone, you can actually click this lost password button. And yep, so you can add your password and repeat your password and save changes. Pretty straightforward. So we can go into your email preferences. So this is actually where you can see what notifications you actually want. So if a member mentions you in an update using PaganSpace.net, I can choose if I want an email for that or not. And same with the rest of these. So if someone sends me so say you wanted everything but whoever inboxes you to get a notification. So say you just want the messaging feature. And of course you want to know when people invite you to become friends and when people invite you to actually when you accept a request from someone, when they accept it from you. Okay, so this will actually vary down and it will only show you emails from this point of the tabs that you set here, your configurations. So you can see I got quite a few emails rolling in, so if I wanted to change that, I would do that right here. So your privacy tab. So this is actually going to be, so you can change, so your first name is automatically public. Your last name, if you choose not to show your last name, you can change it to only yourself. You can change it to all the members on the network, or you can change it to only your friends. So I'm okay with leaving mine as public, so I'm going to leave it as that. So your actual numbers, so you actually can put your phone number on here if you want to interact with others as well. I did not do that, but if you wanted to do that, you simply can do that on the other field, and I'll show you that. So for now, we'll just leave it as only me. In your drop down, so these buttons right here, this is actually going to be your configurations and your settings as well. You can change your default data anytime. Your group invites. Currently, every member of the community can invite you to join the groups. Optionally, you may restrict group invites to your connections only. So if I click this button right here, this is only going to let people that are on my friends list send me group invites. So if you don't want to be spammed with group invites, you can check this box right here, click save, and then no one will be able to send you group invites. So also, as far as our privacy policy, you're allowed to download your data at any given time. So if you do not want to be a part of PaganSpace, if you don't like what we got going on, you simply can export your data and you can click delete your account. We do not block that, and we allow you to do that at any time. So we know a lot of social networks are very finicky with that and will not allow you to do that unless you go through this long process. We want to make it simplified as possible and give you the option to opt out at any time. We're that confident that you'll like PaganSpace that we know that you most likely will not leave. Okay, so that sums up the account tab.